भाई तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी चैनल पर ट्रेन में है।
लीग से आप जुड़ रहे हैं, कितना प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं और किस तरह से रिलेट करेंगे जो लोग इस लीग को फॉलो करेंगे?
I don't know if a lot of people know this. I have been a cricketer all my life. I have played cricket for Delhi under 19. I played a year from Jammu and Kashmir under 19. और जब से मैं बॉम्बे आया हूँ तब से मैं वहाब, करण, अकबर भाई इन सब के साथ क्रिकेट खेलता रहता हूँ। सो अगर बॉम्बे में अगर मुझे क्रिकेट किसी के साथ खेलना है तो मैं इन्हीं लोगों के साथ खेलता हूँ, और अगर किसी लीग के साथ जुड़ना है तो इन्हीं की लीग के साथ जुड़ना है। एंड आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड यार। इट्स अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट ऑफ क्रिकेट, इट्स अंडर आर्म क्रिकेट, जिसमें मेरी कोई महारत नहीं है। जब तक हाथ घुमा के बॉलिंग नहीं होती मुझे समझ नहीं आती, बट इट्स अ इंटरेस्टिंग टेक ऑन क्रिकेट। एंड लास्ट सीजन जब इनका टूर्नामेंट हुआ था, इनफैक्ट आई प्लेड एज अ प्लेयर, तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था। सो दिस टाइम व्हेन दीज गाइज met me and they told me about this, they want me to come on board as the face of the league. I said yeah, if it's about cricket and if it's about you guys, I want to be a part.
सर आपसे जानना चाहूँगा क्या यूनिकनेस क्या है इस लीग का और किस तरह से रिस्पॉन्स रहा है फर्स्ट जो लीग हुआ था? क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्या यूनिक पॉइंट आपको नजर आता है इस लीग में?
देखिए, जब से हमने ये लीग स्टार्ट किया है, since the very beginning people have got immediately attracted to this league because this is something where any and everybody can play. Look, we understand fitness is very important in cricket, but trust me, this is a league where, you know, someone from the age of 20 till about 45, 50 can participate. That's the best part about it. And a lot of people are getting attracted to this.
But wait, how old are you?
I'm 44.
See, he's part of it, guys.
Yeah, so I'm there. But besides that, you know, it's become a trend in Mumbai today. Turf cricket is probably one of the biggest things that people are looking at, are playing. You are seeing leagues like this happening all over Mumbai. We were very fortunate that we were the first people to start something like this, and we are very fortunate. Obviously, Sakib comes on board. You see, he's a cricketer, as he very rightly said it, and inshallah, it will definitely grow.
As you said, you are the first people, and others are following you. What do you feel about it?
Well, we are very proud about the fact that we, you know, you can actually call us the pioneers of starting turf cricket turf cricket. So we are absolutely, you know, happy and proud about the fact that we started this entire trend. And we've got people like Wasim from 7 Star who's joined us. We've got, of course, we've got Wasif Peshamam who's part of it now from Al Samit International. We cannot miss Yogesh Bhai, if everybody knows Yogesh Bhai from Rice.
Who doesn't know Yogesh Bhai?
So Ballpark is extremely happy and proud that this is taken, you know, it's gone this far.
And what about the response you're getting and the followers? I mean, they are following your cricket league, etc.
The response is amazing, is outstanding, and as Akbar just said that, you know, we UCB are the pioneers of, you know, the starting the underarm cricket. So whatever has happened, it is, you know, people are following us, so that is, you know, the point that people are liking this concept, and people following us, that makes it that we are the best, and we are doing a great job.
And talking about the sponsors and the broadcasting partners, how they are going to cooperate with broadcasting.
Yeah, we have Mr. Wasim.
Yeah. 7 Star.
Regarding the broadcasting, I mean, how it will, you know, enable people to watch the league. Awareness.
We are live on all the matches, and plus we have a network right from Andheri to the entire suburbs, some parts of town, and that's how they can watch it.
And in the future, how you are going to cooperate with them as a
I've been associated with them right from season 1. I hopefully will be associated for the rest of the season also.
And
all the coming seasons.
And what is the brand planning in the future, and how you are going to get a big change in the league as a you mentioned larger than life?
Look, season 3, this is the season 3 that's coming up. Hopefully, as time goes by, we will come up with you know, newer ways to entertain people who are participating, as well as people watching. One thing we can assure you of is UCB season 3 is going to be visually very exciting, because we've got certain plans which we can't disclose as of right now, but I'm sure you guys will enjoy watching it.
A question to Karan. Karan, what is new in this season?
Excuse me, रुक जाओ प्रभात.
I'm going to introduce the shy partner from Ballpark, and now, firstly, a very big congratulations to you from all of us. Mr. Abdul Wahab Bawakar has been elected as the Vice President for BJYM for Bandra West, so big congratulations to you.
So, किसी के घर में कोई भी दिक्कत हो इसको
makes our life easy now.
Can you reveal anything what is new in this season?
Yes, coming back to UCBC, like all of us here have already mentioned, we've had successful season 1 and season 2, and now we're doing season 3. Like Sakib said, you know, for a cricket lover who's always played serious cricket, like he said, he doesn't bowl overarm, वो feel नहीं आती. But of course, our format is underarm. But the idea is to make, even though you're playing underarm, make you feel like you're playing overarm. So we've got a few. I'm just going to give you a few pointers. I can't give you everything because then again tomorrow another league will start with those points. So anyway, so you know the playing field is not a typical small box underarm. The field is much bigger than a regular underarm cricketing field. There's bowling from both ends. And I'm going to stop at that because, like I said, if I give you too many things, a new league will start with these points. But anyway, see, the idea is to have friends and family together. Like Akibai said, it's about fitness. Everyone here has their own business, comes from a corporate house, corporate background. Sakib comes from the film industry. You know, at the end of the day, everybody wants to play, have some sort of exercise. If you can't make it to the gym, or if you're not a gym person, at least sport is the best form of keeping fit. And everybody likes to play. So after you finish your work at about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, 8 to 9, you play one match, or 8 to 12 is what our matches go on for. It's a nice way to keep fit and to meet your friends and socialize, which you normally might not be able to do because of your hectic lifestyle.
Sir, congrats on your achievement.
I don't talk.
But still, I mean, what you
his work talks.
No work talks. Related news.
Sakib, wanted to know you are part of very interesting project of a big project like franchising. तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे being working with Salman, how big achievement it is and what you?
नहीं यार, I feel very fortunate. मुझे आज भी याद है जब पहली रेस आई थी तब मैं कॉलेज में था और मैं ना पिक्चर देखने गया था अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ. तो 2:30 बजे का शो था. मैं 2:15 बजे पहुंच गया भाई और ना मैंने देखा कि दरवाजा खुला है हॉल का. तो मैं अंदर घुस गया और मैंने कहा चल अभी पीछे कौन जाके बैठेगा, मैं आगे जाके बैठ जाता हूँ. तो मैं बैठा और 15 मिनट में पिक्चर खत्म हो गई. तो बेसिकली मैं एक शो पहले घुस गया था. मैंने कहा अरे यार मैंने इस पिक्चर का क्लाइमैक्स देख लिया है और पूरी पिक्चर में मैं यही जोड़ रहा था कि अब ये अक्षय खन्ना मरेगा कब, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. But jokes aside, I think I am very fortunate to be working with such huge stars, whether it is Salman bhai, whether it is Anil sir, Bobby, Jacqueline, Daisy, all these guys have been doing work in the industry for a while. And as a youngster, I just feel like it's a great learning ground for me to be learning from everybody. Coming back to the league, what I'd like to say, what I enjoyed by last time, and what also made me decide to come on board for this is यार एक बड़ा अच्छा माहौल बन जाता है जब आप शाम को खेल रहे होते हो ना. It's like all the families come together. It's like a mini picnic. I still remember when we watched cricket and if the tournaments happening in South Africa, कैसे वहाँ लोग अपना एक चादर बिछा के अपना खाना पीना खा के whole families are watching it together. And जब मैंने कहा था कि अंडरआर्म ओवरआर्म का मैं लॉजिक समझा रहा था, I still have to say अंडरआर्म क्रिकेट is not as easy as it looks. जितने भी हम सारे प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर खड़े हैं, जब पहली बार अंडरआर्म बॉलिंग होती है तो सबकी हालत खराब हो जाती है. So it's a very interesting format, and let's hope that every season we can make this bigger and better. And like Karan said, we have pointers in our head as to how different is this from second season. वो अभी हम आपको नहीं बताएंगे क्योंकि इंशाल्लाह हमारे प्लान्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. We want to make it as भाई says कि यार हम इस लीग को जितना बड़ा बना सके उतना बड़ा बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. So that's the idea यार, and it's ultimately cricket. Cricket is a religion in the country. Everybody loves cricket. To a point where my mother, my father, उनके मतलब रिश्तेदार, everybody loves cricket. So I think it is going to get people together. So that's the whole idea. Just enjoy yourself and play cricket.
What are the chances of you playing more games this year?
I'm hoping they give me a team.
Of course. I would love to see that.
I would love to play. I would of course play. But I don't know कि कितना मैं खेल पाऊँगा कितना नहीं खेल पाऊँगा. But I want to invest as much time as I can to the league. Not for anything else, is because there's a passion for the game I have. And it is, I'm getting associated with people I like. And I have played cricket with all these guys a lot. So for me, it is just collaborating with friends on something fun. And if we can make this bigger and better, so why not?
Sir, congratulations.
What about you? I mean, being associated with the league, how proud are you?
Sir, which man, sir? Sir, which man? How about you?
The end of the day, as Akib and Akbar were saying, that it's not about how professionally you play the game, but I'm sure everybody in this media hall has played cricket, whether it's gully cricket, whether it's inside your building, inside your house, on the same floor that you stayed as kids. So the major motive is to stay healthy, stay fit, play cricket, miss your gym, but do some sort of sports.
नहीं यार जितनी जाओ यार केवल
जिम चले जाओ, अगर मिस हो गया तो क्रिकेट खेल लो.
योगेश भाई बिना ब्राइट के तो कोई भी इवेंट
योगेश चल सकता है. ये तो क्रिकेट लीग है भाई.
ये सब इनका आशीर्वाद, माँ बाप का और भगवान का आशीर्वाद.
योगेश भाई क्या चांस है आप खेलोगे मैच? खेलना चाहिए आपको.
मैं बचपन में बहुत अच्छा खेलता था, लेकिन अभी मैच खेलने को टाइम नहीं है. बिजनेस में इतनी मैच हो गई है, बिजनेस में निकल जाता है.
से आप जुड़े तो इनसे कोई आपने टिप्स सीखी, कुछ क्रिकेट खेलने का कुछ आपने सीखा इनसे?
एक्चुअली मेरा जॉब है ना क्रिकेट का नहीं, मेरा आउटडोर पब्लिसिटी का। ब्राइट इसमें मैं प्राउड है कि मैं इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और मैं आउटडोर पार्टनर हूँ। प्लस इनके जो भी इनके टारगेट ऑडियंस हो जहाँ पे मेरे को पब्लिसिटी करने का काम दिया गया। लेकिन आपने सजेस्ट किया तो मैं जरूर एक ओवर खेलेगा।
यूसुफी के लिए क्या करना चाहते हैं योगेश जी? क्या कुछ कितना प्लानिंग है, कितना एडवर्टाइज करने वाले हैं?
ऐसे तो जितने भी सुपरस्टार है लाइफ के, उनकी पहली पिक्चर राइट नहीं थी।
यूसुफी
उस पे आ रहा हूँ राइट इतना लकी है कि जिसके साथ जुड़ जाता है ना, जैसे सलमान भाई और सर कैसे अपने आप फिल्म चल जाती है और नाम हो जाता है, ऐसा इनका भी प्लानिंग अभी बाकी है, कल होने वाला, लेकिन बहुत बेस्ट करेगा और बहुत ब्राइट फ्यूचर इनका कर देगा।
थैंक यू।